Welcome to another episode of BuyerBe Reviews. Today we delve into the world of action cameras as we explore the GoPro HERO12 Black. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into the key features, performance, and the much-anticipated pros and cons of this exciting gadget. From its Ultra HD video capabilities to its robust image sensor, the GoPro HERO12 Black promises to redefine what an action camera can do. So let's get started. Stay tuned as we unpack what the GoPro HERO12 Black has in store for you. Unboxing the GoPro HERO12 Black, you're immediately struck by its sleek design. As you slide off the outer sleeve, you're greeted by a sturdy, eco-friendly box that hints at the quality of the product inside. Upon lifting the lid, the camera itself demands attention, nestled securely in custom-fitted foam. The HERO12 Black sports a matte finish that feels premium to the touch, and the compact size is perfect for on-the-go adventures. At first glance, the build quality is impressive. The camera feels solid yet lightweight, promising durability without the drag. The buttons have a satisfying click, and the lens, the eye of the camera, looks pristine. The accessories included are well packaged too. Every item has its place, and there's an immediate sense of organization. In terms of first impressions, the GoPro HERO12 Black certainly makes a bold statement. It's clear that a lot of thought has gone into the design and presentation of this camera. Now let's power it up and see what it can do. The GoPro HERO12 Black comes packed with impressive features and specifications. Let's dive into the details. The HERO12 Black is a beast when it comes to video. It boasts a 3K 60 Ultra HD video capability. That's right, this tiny device can record in stunning 3K resolution at 60 frames per second. Whether you're capturing the thrill of a downhill bike race or the serenity of a sunrise, every detail will be crystal clear. And for those who love to snap photos on their adventures, the HERO12 Black doesn't disappoint. It sports a 27-megapixel photo capability. So whether you're underwater exploring coral reefs or high up in the sky paragliding, you can capture high-resolution images that are nothing short of spectacular. But what good is high resolution if your images and videos are not vibrant? That's where HDR, or high dynamic range, comes into play. The HERO12 Black has HDR capabilities, meaning it can capture a wider range of colors and contrasts. So those bright sunsets and dark shadows will look as stunning in your videos and photos as they do in real life. Now let's talk about the image sensor. The GoPro HERO12 Black is equipped with a 9 inches image sensor. This larger sensor size allows for better low-light performance and improved image quality overall. So you can keep shooting even when the sun goes down. For those who love to share their adventures in real time, the HERO12 Black offers live streaming. This means you can share your experiences with your friends, family, or followers as they happen. And if you're working from home or on the go, the HERO12 Black can double as a high-quality webcam. Just connect it to your computer and you're good to go. But let's not forget about stabilization. The HERO12 Black has advanced stabilization technology to ensure your footage is smooth, even when the action gets intense. And of course, this wouldn't be a GoPro without waterproof capabilities. Whether you're surfing, snorkeling, or caught in a downpour, the HERO12 Black is waterproof, allowing you to keep shooting without worrying about your camera. These features make the GoPro HERO12 Black a formidable contender in the action camera market. But how does the GoPro HERO12 Black perform in real-life scenarios? Well, let's dive in and find out. When it comes to video quality, this camera truly shines. With its 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video capability, the HERO12 Black captures every detail with stunning clarity. Whether you're recording a fast-paced mountain bike ride or capturing the subtle movements of a sunrise, the footage is crisp, clear, and full of vibrant colors. The 27-megapixel photo capability is equally impressive, delivering high-resolution images that are sharp and detailed. It's a fantastic tool for capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments in a quality that truly does them justice. Now let's talk about stabilization. The GoPro HERO12 Black comes equipped with advanced stabilization technology, and it doesn't disappoint. Even in the most extreme conditions, you can expect smooth, stable footage. This is a game changer for action sports enthusiasts or anyone filming on the move. And what about the live streaming and webcam features? They work like a charm. Whether you're streaming your adventures live to your followers or jumping on a video call, the quality remains consistently high. In terms of performance, the GoPro Hero 12 Black really does live up to the hype. It's a versatile, reliable, and high-performing camera that excels in a wide range of scenarios. The GoPro Hero 12 Black indeed delivers a robust performance that matches its impressive features. Beyond the technical aspects, how does the GoPro Hero 12 Black fare in terms of user experience? Now let's dive into that. The user interface is quite intuitive, making it a breeze for both beginners and seasoned GoPro users. With a responsive touchscreen and simplified menus, navigation is incredibly smooth. Ease of use is a standout feature of the Hero 12 Black. Whether you're capturing a breathtaking sunset or an adrenaline-pumping downhill bike ride, the camera's quick capture button ensures you never miss a moment. Battery life is another area where this model shines. With extended battery life compared to previous models, you can shoot longer and capture more of your adventures. But what truly enhances the user experience are the additional features. From live streaming capabilities to its webcam functionality, the Hero 12 Black is more than just an action camera. It's a versatile device that fits into your lifestyle. The GoPro Hero 12 Black provides a user experience that is as smooth as its video footage. Now let's weigh the good against the not so good about the GoPro Hero 12 Black. On the plus side, it boasts a whopping 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video and 27 megapixel photos offering stunning clarity. The image stabilization and live streaming capabilities are top-notch too. However, on the flip side, its battery life could be improved and the device can heat up with prolonged use. Despite a few downsides, the GoPro Hero 12 Black stands tall with its impressive features and performance. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a powerhouse action camera that delivers on its promises. It offers stunning 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27 megapixel photos, and a wealth of other features. Performance-wise, it's top-notch with impressive stabilization and live streaming capabilities. User experience is also generally positive thanks to its intuitive interface and robust build. The GoPro Hero 12 Black certainly earns our recommendation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to BuyerBe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy shopping.